Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate my portfolio API using Express.js and also MongoDB and Swagger documentation. I would move over to my code immediately. Looking at this from my render.com, I've already posted my code and also live. So let me go over to my Swagger documentation. Looking at this, I have two collections of team and also of user. Getting all my user, I need to execute this, and all my user will be shown. Looking at this, I've also written code to take care of the error 500. If there's any error in it, it's going to show me 500. Then let me create a user by simply going to this place, clicking this with this template. I'm going to delete this. I already have a written code which I'm going to edit or put it in this particular place so that I'll create a user. So going over to this place, I just copy this code, copy it, move over to my Swagger, paste it, and execute. Okay. There seems to be a little bit of error. Okay, let's try to find out where the error is coming from. Response content. Okay. Okay, I think it's from my JSON file. Then execute. Okay. Here it's my user has been successfully created. So I'm going to move over to this. You can see my error handling code. Move over to find by name. So from the team I just created, I called it Johnson. I'm gonna click here, Mike Johnson, execute. Yeah, look at, okay, not found theme with name Mike Johnson. Okay, let me go over, maybe because I capitalize it, then execute it. Okay, what's the error code? Not found theme with Mike Johnson. Mike Johnson. Okay. I'm gonna look at it again and try to correct the error by simply using initialize the name Mike Johnson. Click here, and my user is successfully I've been able to find my user. Then move over, look at my error code. Move over to the second one, which is update an existing team from the one I have, which is Mike Johnson. Let me update it and see how it works. I'm going to try this by putting the name Mike, then Johnson. I'm going to go over and delete these. Then I'm going to put in these. Then let's say I'll change these to, let's say, Dyke, then capital later. I'm going to put these Honsin. Let's see if it's gonna be updated. I'm gonna delete this and try and run my code. Yeah, my code is working. Yeah, it's been. Then let me look at this delete. I'm gonna try this. Click on this delete. Look at my error handling in delete. I'm gonna put it like Hansen. I'm gonna try to see execute the code. Yay, my team was successfully deleted. So I've run through the team. Let me try also for this other one, which is my user. I'm going to put in my username to execute to get all the user. Okay, get user by username. Let's look at, first of all, I'm going to look at all my user, get all user first of all to see the user that is being stored in my database so that I can be able to continue to do that. And looking at this my database, I have Jane Smith as one of my users, or Paul Adejo as one of my users. So I'm going to use that to try out some of these coding. Then let me move over to this and look at my error handling code is already there. I'm going to let me create a new user by moving over to my code that I've written here, to copy it and also paste it there. Creating a new user through this. I'm going to copy, move over to my Swagger, creating code. I'm going to try it out, delete this. I'm going to paste it. Okay, let's say I'm going to change the name. Let's say N, then I'm going to use, let's say D, so that I'll have it this way to see if it's gonna work. If I can create my new user here, you can see my new user has been created with a start to error 200. I also have my error code in case there is error to handle it. Then let me move over to the next one, which is delete user D. So I'm going to delete this my new created user, which is called, what's the name again, which is called N Dyke. I'm going to do that, try it out to see if it's going to work. Delete user. I'm going to try it out. N Dyke. Execute. Yeah, I can see that my user has been deleted. Look at it. So you're looking at these, I also have a code to handle the errors from this my code in case the user is not properly deleted or so. My error code will pop up to show that it's not working fine. Then looking at the last, which is update, I'm going to update a user by going straight to these. Have a user, try a username, let's say, and one of my users, I'm going to put it and it will show. Looking at this, I also have error handling method on this code, how to handle my error in case there is error. It is my put to update my user. So I can update any of the users which I have in this code, and my code is going to work. So looking at this, I also have all the error handling method in this my code to do this. So